Let's check
Hi
my room here
everyone,
at
and I'm
Diamond
Baby
Water
Cakes.
Edge
I will show
Hotel.
you my room dito sa Diamond Water Edge. It's my first time na mag-check-in here. So we'll see. Let's turn on the light. And located, by the way, siya sa Station 1 sa Boracay. So that's the bed. Good for 2 na siya. Okay naman. Malinis yung room. Hindi lang siya ganun kalaki. And may flat TV na. May paayuda din si Mayor, coffee and noodles. So later siguro. And yun, hindi lang siya ganun kalaki. Pero okay naman na siya for me ha. And yun, may safety box na din. So, dyan natin itatago yung kayamanan kung meron. And then, aura-aura muna mga sis. Ayan. And then, let's go and check the CR kung okay naman. Importante, malinis to ha. So, yun. Perfect. Okay naman. Malinis siya. Very good. And ayun, may mga freebies din, mga lotion, keme, soap. So, iuwi ko lang yan sa bahay for souvenir. And of course, yan, may hair dryer. Importante yan sa mga girls. Then, aura-aura ulit. And yun lang guys. And ingat-ingat pala kasi may super typhoon daw na darating.